All right, all right. What is going on, folks? Hey, good evening, Ontarian here. I am the passive income guru. Hope you guys are doing well this evening. Got some great news to share with you tonight. So you definitely want to stick around. I'm going to do my best to keep this short and sweet and to the point. All right. So let me do some housekeeping here real quick. Let me make sure I'm coming in loud and clear on my platforms. Okay. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I think I'm good. All right. Look like we're good there. On Facebook, we're good. And if you guys can hear me loud and clear, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and just comment. That will help me a lot. That will help me a lot. Okay. And then on YouTube, I think we're good. I think we're good. All right. All right. So again, I'm Tyrion here, ladies and gentlemen. Passive income guru again. Good evening. Good evening. It is kind of late for you guys, but hey, you know I'm a night person, man. I like to get things done at night. So some of you are going to see this probably later on. Many of you are many folks are probably in the bed right now getting ready for work tomorrow. Okay, so but I want you to listen up. All right. As you guys know, I've been promoting my Forex trading software for quite some time now. Okay. Um, as a matter of fact, it's been actually going on a year straight that I've been showing consistent daily results week after week after week. All right. This software has, you know, has blazed through many news events. It has stood the test of time. Okay. Now, overall, if you guys been following my videos, overall the software has been out for quite some time, several years. Actually, the longest running account that we have on a customer base level is since 2016. So, going on 10 years that this bot has been in existence. Okay. And today was another epic day. Today, see if I can pull up some results for you. I actually posted on YouTube, I mean, not YouTube, but Facebook this morning. Right there. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of blur, it's kind of bright. But if you go to my Facebook, you'll see that I posted results for today. All right. And also if you're in my WhatsApp group, post there every single day. So make sure that you are in my WhatsApp group or my Telegram group. Either one of those, I post consistent results. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get down to it, guys. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Also, feel free to ask questions. For those of you who are new here, feel free to ask any questions that you would like about this software. Maybe you're just tuning in for the first time. I want to welcome you. If you've been here and you still got questions, hey, feel free to ask, and I will do my best to answer your question. All right. Now, you want to stay to the end because I'm going to be doing, there's a promo that I'm doing right now that's going to give you guys access to this bot at I believe it's a very affordable rate. Okay. So let's do this. And again, I'm going to do my best to be as quick as possible. All right. Let's go here. And just really want to run through the highlights of the bot and then tell you the promo. And then that'll be it, guys. Give me 1 second. 1 second. That will be it. 1 second here. All right, you guys should be able to see my screen here. Okay. Now let's go through some. Just want to go through these bullet points here real quick to give you guys a rundown of the bot. Last video I went into the development of this bot. I told you that there was a specific gentleman, an Englishman, who developed this software, spent over $1 million to develop it with 15. Excuse me. One second, guys. 1 second. All right, guys. Got some allergies going on here. My apologies. All right. Hey, Shelly, what's going on? Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. Let's get back to business here. Share my screen. All right. So again, last video I shared with you, again, an Englishman that developed this software, spent over $1 million to develop this thing. And after he developed it, he put some, let me back up. This gentleman was already a master trader, made millions trading the Forex market. And he said, hey, you know, one day he said, hey, I want to create an EA that does it for me. And lo and behold, he, after he got it coded and everything, right, he put his money in, his own money, and became a billionaire. Okay. Long story short, that's exactly what happened. So when that happened, this thing was not online like I'm bringing it to you now. This was an underground private entity with several investors, high-end investors who are still with this software, doing very well with it. Okay. So I was able to, I was privileged to bring this to the mainstream. You know, I was sought out by one of the forerunners of this. And they told me, hey, you know, we've seen your work. We would like for you to take this to the mainstream online and brand it. Okay. And that's exactly what has happened. So I want to go through some of these highlights with you here about the bot and description. Okay. So like I said before, the longest running account has been in existence since 2016, successfully running since 2016, folks. Okay. That's a big deal right there in itself. No blown accounts or compromised accounts. What does that mean? That means since its inception, this software has not blown or compromised any accounts. It has not, in other words, there's every account that started with the bot is still intact. Okay. So no blown or compromised accounts. And actually the bot was designed not to blow your account. Okay. This software automatically compounds your account. Low drawdown. Okay. There are specific strategies. The 15 strategies that's built in is designed to keep your drawdown at a minimum. Okay. This works only on MT4. It trades like a master trader because it was designed and coded by a master trader. Okay. It has distinct 15 special strategies built in for the best overall performance. Safety measures in place to keep your account secure and growing at the same time. Again, like I told you before, this bot will never blow your account. Okay. The bot is very conservative, and I want to kind of pause right here and talk about the conservative nature of this bot. Many over the years, folks, I have tested many EAs. I've put my own money in many softwares when it comes to automation. And let me tell you something. Those EAs that promise you the world, you know, that tell you you're going to get 10, 20% a month or more, eventually, yeah, you may get that in the beginning, but guess what? That thing more than likely will, and it will blow. Let me just tell you straight out, it will blow. I've been there and done that. You want something that is conservative, slow and steady, something like this, okay? So the bot is averaging anywhere from 1 to 9% per month, and it automatically compounds your account, okay? Several strategies built in to keep your account profitable. 100% satisfaction guarantee. We have customers all over the world, ladies and gentlemen, that are satisfied with this software, hands down. And here's a big perk for you as well. You're going to be able to resell this bot and make $1,000 over and over again. Okay. Now, I want to talk about, let's talk about this part here, and then I'm going to talk about the promo that's going on right now. Okay. So there is a 70 to 30% monthly performance fee after your initial 5K is recouped. Okay. And basically what that means is when you get the bot, right, and you make a profit over time of 5K, then 70-30 kicks in. That means every month from there on out, you're going to get 70% from the profit, and we're going to get 30%, my team and I, okay? That's what that means. I get this question a lot as well about prop firms. Yes, the bot does work with prop firms as long as it's MT4 and they allow EAs. Now, there is an extra cost to that for us to propagate, to configure that for you. There's certain elements in a prop firm that for the bot to run successfully that we have to do on our end. So there's an extra cost, usually between 5 to 15K, depending on the prop firm. Now, we recommend, because prop firms, ladies and gentlemen, are, to be honest with you, they are pretty, I would say, finicky. They have a lot of intricate rules in place that they can change at any time. And when that happens, guess what? You lose your account with no warning. Okay. So it's best to use what I call a regular cash account or a broker account that you can grow your money gradually and just use that account like a savings account. Just continually put money in there, grow it up. Okay. Also, my team and I we install and manage the bot for you. Okay. Hence, there are no shared files. We will not send out the files to you. Okay. That's like sending out the recipe to a think of it like this. You got a famous recipe like KFC, right? Does KFC send out their recipe? No. Okay, so we're not going to send out our bot. I've seen several bots over the years get duplicated, and these people that do that strip the bot down, they name it something else and sell it for a cheaper price. So I've seen it all. Okay, and then right here below I got below these images. I have the brokers that most of our customers are using. Okay, and right here I have custom monthly plans in place, and then I also have Afterpay and Klarna as well. Okay, these are third-party processors right here, guys, that you have to qualify for. All right, now if you don't qualify for them, then we'll have to get you what's called a custom payment plan. Now, let's get into what I wanted to tell you again. And I want to really emphasize this, guys. No refunds on custom plans and or whatever you're paying with, whether it's you go through Afterpay, Klarna, or card, there are no refunds, guys, through this service. Okay, so what's the promo that we got going on? So usually, as you can see here, guys, I have changed the price. Usually this bot goes for 5K. Now you see right here, 10K is crossed out. This thing is definitely worth 5 figures, but we sliced it down to 5. But for the rest of the month, this is where the promo comes in. For the rest of the month, okay, so we have, today is the 25th. You got from today until the 31st, which is a Sunday at midnight, to take advantage of this promotion. You're getting $1,000 off the regular price. So it usually goes for 5K. You're going to get it for 4,000. Not only that, made it a little sweeter for you. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, but I am going to eliminate the monthly performance fee. Let me say that again. The promo that's going on right now, you're going to save, not only are you going to save $1,000 off the software, which is going to be 4,000, but we're going to eliminate the 70-30 monthly performance after you make your initial bet. Okay, so that's how that works. That's how that works. Okay, that's eliminated. That's a big deal for a lot of you. Okay, now even though the 70-30 split is really nothing, ladies and gentlemen, think about it. When this is intact and you make your 5K back, your account is going to be looking pretty good. Your account is going to be looking pretty good at that time. You got to think about the long term. Okay. And again, guys, it don't matter if you go through for this promo. It don't matter if you go through Afterpay or Klarna, okay, or a custom pay plan. Now, let me tell you the difference between the two. If you get approved for Afterpay or Klarna, you immediately are going to get. We're immediately going to get you hooked up to the software, okay? Because what happens with these third parties is what they do is they do a soft pull on your credit, okay? And what they do is they put you on a monthly plan until you pay up the 4K. But what happens is when you qualify for them, on my end, they release the entire 4,000 or whatever this price is, okay? All right. If you do not qualify for either one of these, we have to go with a custom pay plan, okay? That means I will have to speak with you and see what you can afford, how many months. We can go up as far as up to 24 months. They can't go no further than that. So it's going to be 24 months or less, whatever you can afford. But here's the deal about the custom pay plan, okay? You won't be able to get the bot until the entire 4K is paid up, okay? That's the difference between going through Klarna or Afterpay and or going through a custom pay plan, okay? So the promo that we're offering, guys, is dynamic. It's very good. You're getting something of high caliber, high value. This thing can do wonders for you in the years to come. And when it comes to, passive income, ladies and gentlemen, like I was saying the other day on my other video, you got to take chances. You got to take risks. You got to invest. Basically, you got to invest. You got to believe in what you're investing in, and you got to understand that this is not a get rich quick. This is something that is slow and steady. Let it grow, let it do its thing, let it compound, and let your money grow. And that's what it's all about. Okay, so that's all I had this evening, ladies and gentlemen. Feel free to ask any questions. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? All right, all right, all right. We got a couple of folks in here. What's going on, Miguel, Eliza, and Trina? What's going on? Eliza, that is no. Remember, sir, the promo is 4K, so you're getting $1,000 off. So 4K, you can. It depends on you. You said fiat or crypto. If you want to do it in fiat, you can do it in fiat. If you want to do it in crypto, you can do it in crypto. It's up to you. It's up to you. Okay? It's up to you. All right. Miguel, what's your question? I saw that you got a question, Miguel? Do you have a question, Miguel? Trina, you got any questions, Trina? Welcome in, welcome in. Welcome in, guys. Guys, this opportunity is definitely unique. Definitely unique. Okay. I can confidently tell you that you're not going to find anything like this when it comes to Forex trading softwares. This by far is the best ever. Okay. The best ever. Fan TV. Why is this better than your what previous projects are you talking about, my friend? What previous projects are you talking about? I don't know how long you've been watching Fan TV, but as you know, I'm all about diversification. I'm all about bringing something to the forefront that people will benefit from. And this is a software, PlexiTrade. That is so PlexiTrade is a broker. PlexiTrade is a broker. That's where you put your money in to get where your money gets traded. So it's one of the many brokers that are out there. Okay. Any other questions, folks? Any other questions? And like I always say, guys, if you're not invested in anything, it's not too late. It's not too late to invest. Let me just say this: the bot has I want you to think about other traditional investments. What about just name some real estate? Airbnb is on the same thing, under the same umbrella as real estate. So Airbnb, what do you call that? You got high yield savings accounts. Even your brick and mortars. If you want to start a restaurant business, a food truck business, anything that is going to make money, ladies and gentlemen, I don't care what it is, you got to invest. All right. There's no other way around it. Now, the great thing about my software is the overhead is nothing. So all the other things I just named, you got overhead. You got all type of footwork you got to do. Nothing wrong with it if you're passionate about that, right? But having something like this that is working for you on the back end, you ain't got to worry about anything. You can go about your life, is a game changer. Okay. No overhead. Or the only overhead you got is looking at your cell phone every now and then to see how your account's going. That's it. That's it. Okay. That's right. Trainer takes money to make money. That's right. Yep, it's all automated, sis. It's all automated. So this promo expires at the end of this month at midnight, the 31st of August at midnight. Okay. All right. Fan TV, Prodigy Marketing Online. I'm not understanding what you're asking here. That's my company name. Prodigy Marketing Online is my company name. So I'm trying to see what you're trying to get to here. You're welcome, sis. You're so welcome. Takes money to make money. Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. And guys, I want to encourage you to, here's the deal. And I always talk about this. There's two things that are right now that is hitting people's pockets right now. And it's going to increase. It's going to get worse. It's going to increase. I'm just going to name two. There's several. I'm just going to name two of them. One is inflation. One of those things is inflation. Here's the crazy thing about inflation. As prices of services and goods are going up, guess what's staying the same? And they know this stuff. They know that inflation exists and it's going to continue to go up. Guess what stays the same? Your income, your job income. When was the last time your boss came to you and said, you know what? I see the price of eggs and milk and all that stuff in the store going up. We're going to give you a raise to just at least keep up with it. No, they're going to keep your pay the same, which is insane. That's number one. Number two is AI or technology or robots. So with a combination of inflation and a combination of AI taking over jobs, robots taking over jobs, guys, it's real talk. That's hurting people's pockets right now. So we got to get to the point where we're thinking ahead, planning for right now and for the future. And that's why I wanted to bring this software mainstream, because I know it's going to help a lot of people. It's already helping quite a bit of people around the world, but I know it's going to help even more people moving forward. And that's why I'm doing this promo. I want people to get in and see this thing in action and be excited about it. And P.S. and by the way, you can share this thing starting right now and make money from sharing it, guys. I want to give you different angles that's going to help you monetize this thing. Okay. Marvin Sykes, what's going on, my man? Long time no see, brother. What's going on with you, sir? All right. So that's my time, guys. I've been on almost, I told you I was trying to keep it short. It's been almost 30 minutes. Crazy work, man. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions before I get off tonight? Take advantage, guys. Take advantage. Again, this promo ends at the end of the month. I'm going to leave my link below this video. If you guys got questions after the video, all right, just feel free to inbox me. All right. Feel free to inbox me. I'll be happy to help you. All right, Mr. Sykes. Appreciate you, sir. Thanks for coming on. All right. So if there's no more questions, ladies and gentlemen, hey, I'm going to go ahead and hop off of here. I gotta do another live here before I turn it in for the night. All right. So you guys enjoy the rest of your night, and talk to y'all soon. Again, if you're on YouTube, you ready to get this going, the link is going to be below the video. And then if you're on Facebook, just simply inbox me and I'll be happy to help you. All right. You guys have a great one. Talk to you soon.